Everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll tell you about the Publicis Sapient company. So they're hiring for multiple positions, and we will also share with you the referrals with whom you can approach, and you can share your CV, and you can ask them to assist you in their company. So Publicis Sapient company is hiring. So let me share the details with you. Right. So multiple career opportunities are there at Publicis Sapient company, and they are looking for QA automation engineers with 4 to 9 years of experience in Selenium and REST Assured. And as you can see, the role is senior quality engineering, SAL1 and SAL2. So anyone who's having experience 4 to 9. So there's a mid-level of experience. And the key skill set that they are looking is for proficiency in Java, Selenium automation, API automation and testing, page object model, BDD, TestNG framework. So many things, so many skills they are looking for. But you can get all these questions answers you can get from the digital product that are available on the top mate. So let me take you to my TopMate profile. So on the TopMate profile, you would get all these kinds of products, all these digital products, especially the MNC based questions and answers that you might be looking forward for. So let me share that link with you so that it becomes easier for you to navigate to that link and get that particular product. So this is a product which I was talking about. So this is a package of multiple digital products wherein you have got MNC companies testing interview questions and answers. So very first product is MNC companies testing interview questions and answers itself. In this particular product, we have consolidated the interview questions and along with the answers from various companies. And there are a few of the testing interview questions as well. And apart from that, you can see EPAM company testing interview questions and answers, Apple test automation questions and answers, Capgemini test interview questions and answers, API automation, LTI Mindtree, how will you explain OOPS concepts, Java interview questions and answers, behavioral interview questions and answers. So a lot of products are there. Now, if you are trying to avail all these products individually, so it would cost you somewhere around 1800. But if you avail this package, it would cost you 1500. So this is the advantage with the package. So going back to the opportunity, so don't worry about so many skill set, because these days every company is hiring for this kind of skill sets, right? They would be looking for such kind of opportunities. So work locations, you can see Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Gurgaon, Noida, Pune. Lot of hiring, lot of mass hiring is going on. Interview process is very simple. First, you have to go for the virtual interview, then face to face. So only 2 rounds of interviews are there, and one is a virtual round. And you can share your resume at this particular email address itself, right? So these are the open opportunities at the Publicis Sapient company. You can apply today itself, and you can let me know if any other thing is required from your side. You can put the questions in the comment section. I would be happy to assist you, would be happy to answer you. Right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.